Do you want to know how you can access to your Upwork Help Center? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the Upwork Help Center. Go ahead and open any browser and go to upwork.com. After you open Upwork.com, make sure that you are logged into your account. To access the Help Center, you need to click on this option and click on Help Center. So open Upwork, click on this question mark option, click on it and go to Help Center. In a while, you can notice that you will be headed to the Upwork Help Center. If you scroll a bit down, you can choose the type of account for personalized services. The account types are freelancer, agency, and client. If you scroll a bit down, you can see all of the options which you need to find in Help Center. The Help Center in Upwork helps you to solve your problems quite easily. You can see that there are some of the articles which will help you, and it will recommend you to do such things, and it will help you solve your problems. So guys, this is how you access your Help Center or your Upwork Help Center. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.